Your bathroom is more than just a stop on your daily routine. It's a personal retreat. So, why not make it a space you love? Start with functionality. Double sinks for those chaotic mornings, or a deep soaking tub to unwind after a long day. Next, style matters. Whether you're into classic or modern, your fixtures should match your home's vibe. On a budget? Invest in quality now. Durable fixtures save you from costly repairs later. Think porcelain, ceramic, or stainless steel for easy maintenance. Right now, homeowners in Montgomery County are loving a mix of classic and contemporary. Think stone countertops, wood vanities, and eco-friendly options like low-flow shower heads. And don't forget to work with local pros. They know the Montgomery County codes and will ensure everything's done right. If you enjoyed these tips, like, comment, and follow for more videos like this.